বদলে গেছে জীবন, বদলে গেছে অভ্যাস। সুস্থ থাকার চাবিকাঠি হলো সর্বদা পরিচ্ছন্ন থাকা ও নিয়মিত শরীর চর্চা, আর তার সাথে ভালো খাবার। ভালো খান, সুস্থ থাকুন, মুখরোচক।
19 দিন হয়ে গেল হসপিটালে চিকিৎসাধীন সৌমিত্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়। শুরুতে শারীরিক অবস্থার অবনতি হলেও মাঝখানে চিকিৎসায় সাড়া দিচ্ছিলেন সৌমিত্রবাবু। আশায় বুক বেঁধেছিলেন তার অগণিত ভক্তরা। কিন্তু আবার এলো দুঃসংবাদ, শারীরিক অবস্থার আবার অবনতি। এখনও তিনি বিপদসীমার মধ্যেই। বেলভিউ ক্লিনিক থেকে অভিনেতার শারীরিক অবস্থার আপডেট দিলেন ডাক্তার অরিন্দম কর।
Good evening, 24th of October, 8 in the evening, and this is Dr. Arindam Kaur speaking on behalf of Bellevue Clinic and updating you about Mr. Soumitra Chatterjee's health condition. Today is the 19th day, if I'm not mistaken, of his hospitalization, and in fact there had been 2-3 improvements that had happened. One is the consciousness is little down compared to the last 72 hours. We can hardly say that his GCS is 8 to 9. But fortunately the dyskinetic movement that were happening, involuntary movements, that has also come down. So we are not very sure which way it is going. We have received the most of the reports of CSF. The autoimmune encephalitis panel is negative, and the protein which were indicating COVID encephalopathy, that has gone up. So what we can deduce is that this COVID encephalopathy thing is progressing, and despite steroids, immunoglobulins and everything prolonged effort, it is not responding. He is not responding to those treatments. So we will be taking some tough calls tomorrow. It could be that we need to protect his airway, so tracheostomy we had already discussed with the family, so this is a possibility. Plasmapheresis is a possibility. Any other treatment that can save his life is also a possibility. In the meantime, he has, as I was speaking to you yesterday and day before yesterday, that to maintain someone with this much of age and comorbidity, there are always possibilities of complications to happen. So as of now, though his lungs, blood pressure, heart, kidneys are still working well, there are some points to be worried of. His platelet counts have come down, so we are trying to find out what exactly had happened. There could be multiple reasons, but we are yet to point out the exact reasons. And his blood urea has gone up, so along with the sodium, it could be due to little bit of dehydration, so we are taking care of that part also. So these are 2 points to worry, and he doesn't, honestly speaking, after 19 days, if someone of his age, stature and comorbidities doesn't improve or rather deteriorate after 18 to 19 days, there are really point to be worried. So we have counseled the family members in depth, and we would be taking some very important and difficult decision about him in coming days. So I will keep you posted. Please continue your support and wish for his recovery. We are trying our best, but even sometime the best efforts can be not enough for someone who is suffering with this sort of disease. Thank you.
টলিপাড়ার লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।